Sudhu, what are you eating? एक मिनट थांब दो, एक मिनट थांब. What are you eating? Can you tell us what are you eating? Do you like? I know you like bananas, but do you like cucumber too?
I like banana too.
What else do you like? What else do you like?
No, mommy, I don't eat the bananas.
Okay. Okay, we know you can eat bananas and you really like bananas. What else do you like? You like cucumbers. What are you eating there? Is that a cucumber? And where did we get this cucumber from? Did we pick it from the backyard just now? Was it on the vine 5 minutes ago? Hey, be careful. Sit down. Sit down. Finish your cucumber first. I know. We picked it from the backyard. So tell me, do you like cucumber? Is it, how does it taste? Hmm? Finish your cucumber, Suditi. Hmm? Can you? You're saying shake it, shaking the cucumber. Why are you shaking it?
Shake it.
Don't shake it. No shaking cucumber. Can you finish it? Yeah, finish it. Do you like cucumber again? Do you like mango? Oh, did you just do burping? You're not burping? You're not burping? Are you serious? I thought you just burped, Suditi. Suditi, that's not a good idea. Daddy just told you that, right? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That's not a good idea. Daddy just told you, right? Suditi, do not put your feet on the ball. That's a cheesy habit. Say sorry. Can you say sorry?
Sorry.
Okay. Don't do that again, okay? Now say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you keep the bowl? Can you keep the bowl by the stairs? Keep it there. Keep it. Daddy will take it downstairs. Keep it. Keep it there.
No.
Why not? Okay, keep it on the table. Keep it on the table. Here, on this table. Okay. Now go to mommy. Bye-bye.